Hey YouTubians, Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to Bentley's engine build, part 2. As you saw in part 1.
I'll link over there or up there, somewhere up there. I'll link it. It'll be there, if I remember.
As you saw in the first video, the case was no good. We had massive rod play. The crank spec'd out to be actually turned already once, and it was in between the first turn and second turn. He didn't want to put that into it. He's got another case. He went out and picked this one up, brought it to me today. So we're going to tear into it and see what we got. See what we have to work with. I'm not going to bother going through and showing you step by step. I'll actually put it down in the description below. I'll put another video that I've done in the past on tearing down your engine. So let's get to work and see what we got this time. Well, I got a phone call, got a little carried away. Like I said, you all seen me disassemble an engine before, so nothing new here, except for chunks of stuff that came out of there from up there. How interesting is that? Something was rattling around inside that engine case and took some chunks out. Luckily, if I can hold you still, sorry. Luckily, it's nothing structural. Matter of fact, all through that area right there and other areas and stuff, that's where people usually clearance for stroker engines anyway, so it's not really an issue.
But the issue is...
I think I showed you before, but that was a while ago. Again, it's supposed to be between 4 and 6 thousandths. That is, I stopped measuring at about 15 thousandths. So that crank's definitely done. Plus side, thrust surface looks great. This bearing fits in amazing. If you can see that, look at that nice sharp edges. It's not round over. Dowel pin's solid. Let me find the bearing. All right, dowel pin marker right there. So that goes down just like that. Here, let me bring you over this way. And that's where it starts to get nice and snug. This bearing is great. Well, not so much the bearing, because we can't use that. The case is great. I actually mic'd it out. This case is a Volkswagen replacement case. It has not been thrust cut or line bored. You can see the discoloration from the oil galley. And there's a little bit of discoloration, just an ever so slight ridge. Honestly, the way this thing mic'd out, I don't even know if it really needs a line bore, to be honest. Bearings fit nice and snug. But we'll do some more calculations, and we'll contact Bentley, see what he wants to do. So there's an update, and I think we're done for the night. It's hot. I'm going in. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. Till next time, be good.